Okay, sa pag-compute ng fuel consumption natin sa noon, kailangan natin yung makuha yung corrected specific gravity. Okay, so ito yung formula niya. Yan. Corrected SG for fuel consumption is equal to SG at 15 degrees minus open parenthesis, temperature minus 15 degrees, close parenthesis, times correction factor or coefficient, close parenthesis. So saan makikita yung temperature nito? Ay, yung temperature na to, doon tayo magbe-base sa injection temperature. Makikita sa fuel analysis natin, yung temperature na yan, kung ilan yung injection temperature natin. Okay? So, yung coefficient factor, yung ginagamit namin yung table, yan, so dyan yan natin makukuha yan. Okay, yung SG at 15 degrees sa BDN or fuel analysis, meron din yan. So, yung given natin, SG at 15 degrees, 0.9576. Injection temperature, yung T natin, 100 degrees. Yung correction factor, dahil yung SG natin ay pasok sa 0.912 at 0.978 na range, so yung correction factor natin, 0.0063. Okay, so compute na natin. 0.9576 minus 100 minus 15 times 0.0063. Okay, 100 minus 15, 85 times coefficient factor. Ito yung sagot natin, 0.9576 minus 0.05355 equals decimal 0.9041. Okay, so yan yung corrected specific gravity natin sa ating for FO consumption sa noon. Okay, so pag nag-compute tayo sa noon, ito yung corrected SG natin. Ito yung i-multiply natin sa cubic meter para maging metric tons.